How to upload files to Google Drive and share link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Drive application on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now in order to upload the file, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then simply select on upload. Now you can select any of the files over here. So I'm going to tap on the document section, and if we have it, you can simply put it. If not, you can just let it be and add any of your documents or files. Then tap on upload and it will start uploading it. With proper connection, it will be uploaded, and there you go. Now if you have to share the link, you can simply tap on the option over here. So let's tap on home, and there you go. So let's tap on three dotted lines and select on copy link, and now you can just share it using different media. So I'm going to share it on Telegram over here for now. So let's just tap on Telegram and share the link. So let's just wait until it loads the Telegram application over here for us, and then tap on it and simply paste the link that we had just copied and send it, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.